ഗൈസ് നമ്മുടെ വീണ്ടും പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ 3.4 മിനിറ്റ് വരെ നിൽക്കുന്ന ഒരു കോമഡി സീരീസ് ആണ് ഈ സ്റ്റോറി. ചക്കിൾ ചേസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ഉണ്ട്. സോ ഓക്കെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്.
In the charming town of Merivale, where laughter flowed as freely as the babbling brooks and smiles were as abundant as the blossoming flowers, there existed an annual event that brought joy and mirth. Among to all who participated, the Chuckle Chase. The Chuckle Chase was a light-hearted competition that took place once a year, where contestants from all over Merivale gathered to showcase air, wit and humor in a race to see who could elicit the most laughs from the crowd. It was a day filled with laughter, camaraderie, and good-natured fun, and everyone in town looked forward to it with eager anticipation. At the heart of this jovial event stood a young man named Charlie, whose quick wit and infectious laughter made him a favorite among the townsfolk. With his twinkling eyes and mischievous grin, Charlie was known far and wide as the king of comedy in Merivale, and he was determined to defend his title in this year's Chuckle Chase. As the day of the competition dawned bright and sunny, Charlie donned his silliest costume, a colorful jester's outfit complete with oversized shoes and a floppy hat, and made his way to the town square, where the Chuckle Chase was set to take place. The square was alive with excitement, as contestants warmed up their funny bones and practiced their best jokes and one-liners in preparation for the competition. There were jesters juggling rubber chickens, clowns telling corny puns, and even a group of acrobats performing slapstick routines that had the crowd roaring with laughter. But amidst the chaos and merriment, Charlie remained calm and focused. With a twinkle in his eye and a spring in his step, he took to the stage and began his performance, weaving together jokes and anecdotes with effortless grace. The crowd erupted into laughter as Charlie's quick wit and clever wordplay kept them entertained from start to finish. His jokes ranged from silly to sophisticated, with puns and punchlines that left everyone in stitches. But it wasn't just Charlie's jokes that won over the crowd, it was his infectious laughter and genuine love of comedy that truly set him apart. With each joke he told and each laugh he elicited, Charlie's joy was palpable, and it spread like wildfire throughout the crowd, filling the square with a sense of warmth and camaraderie that was truly magical to behold. And when the final scores were tallied and the winner of the Chuckle Chase was announced, there was no surprise to anyone in Merivale that Charlie had taken home the top prize. For in 80, home where laughter reigned supreme, there was no one more deserving of the title of comedy king than Charlie, the laughter-loving jester of Merivale.